Yes, so I know say we don't show again, we don't enter your screen again this wonderful evening. And my mind can't switch me because I see something now where I can enter this bar. Shakara.
You don't say in the fear Urubu Juju.
Shakara.
Because I tell her say
You tell her
if you don't leave that girl. Imagine make what number first to meet rich girl where they stay VGC.
But how you take carry your
I
phone?
just say, my guy now.
Text for the address. Come waka go there.
You don't know how show man.
You sure say you go there? I be there lock herself.
See you. He go the girl house. The girl come start, but they not allow enter the mayor's. Now boy squatter ID. The girl call me saying they boy squatter. I say man, no worry. Understand?
Then finish am.
Let me carry go now.
Are you telling me? Our boy live and they beg yes sir. When I know me now, on a boy, on a house boy, husband, and every who go match you. And Chakra.
Yes.
Why I say, I will give you the opportunity again to give them the surprise of today.
You know, this industry where I find myself, we get some abnormal people, we get some normal crazy people. We don't see madman where they dress corporately, wear suit, they work. Not everybody where they dress corporate wear suit for Lagos normal. So now people don't lose job, just they talk. If now make you go, what they make you see say person who wear suit go they follow conductor, we wear tete cloth, they drag. Now the mentality. But ladies and gentlemen, our guest today. Now another big entrepreneur, the way Oyibo go talk am. Now person wey be say apart from comedy, I know him. He do so many things. One go be mention now. We call him the rich Calabar man.
The richest.
Okay, the richest Calabar man. The richest Calabar. See why.
Hey, sorry. How na do? I just say I
They call her richest Calabar man.
No, you know this setting make am be like my village meeting. So, I won't call talk. I just say na land.
See, okay. See why. Help me greet our viewers with your language.
Okay.
Sorry. No verse.
See why na go on so no dey welcome to BOBOS yan. Maka no e ba ta a chore ngonko nam wara nko.
Na just good evening I tell them. So that's one way I talk. It's just good evening.
I can imagine. So yourself, because you speak Carabana, you carry your herbalist Igbo. Because the kind of Igbo wey this guy dey speak.
No, wait, I hear Igbo. It be like say na Cotonou language join am.
If they use this Igbo, take send you message. I don't lost change, oh. Because you say you don't go buy anything correct. I don't lost change. They can't say, what do you do? Say, my mama send me a hair. How much she give you? Now 200. No, 200 there. But change must lost because of what she talk.
You don't remember.
You don't remember.
I mean, yes, now my men them be that we say we go follow Chook mouth for the matter. We say we go your committee. Matter we'll talk about today. Yes, it is very spoofing. We want to talk simple. If you don't fall in love, deep, you don't dey at the verge of to marry that person. You can't find out. Say the person, either man or woman, where you want marry, in family get strong spiritual history. What you go do? Spiritual history in the sense that so many things happen for the family. Where we say, if you shook it for the family,
not everybody go because many people go say they won't take off. Understand? But you get people will be saying, you see this word love, you get some people who hold on strong, pass federal government work. They go hear that thing, but they go still stay.
I no go run. No, wait. Which kind of spiritual problem?
Very thick one.
They...
Like, okay, most say for instance, you know, say some families will be say, if men marry enter the family, it's either say if they carry money enter the family, come marry. By the time they marry small, their money go.
The family we get this spiritual problem, they get money.
They not get.
Okay, if now this kind of $multi-dollar family, because you say they get married spirit.
If now you go.
They say they get married spirit. I'm a mariner now. I'm a mariner, so I don't know what you're talking about. Let's marry together.
No, because this matter of marry, it get where you person go get money rich. The wish no go show.
No, money they cure.
They cure wish now.
You sure?
What did they talk? Imagine say that go take picky, they get like their kind of family. Then you can't discover say they get some kind of strong spiritual problem. So they don't fix wedding dates, finish. Buy wedding gown.
Buy your house.
You can't
buy
go
your car.
buy everything. Now you can't go tell the person say I will.
Oh
no,
boy,
my dear.
see why money dey cure things. You get one guy wey travel come from abroad. If you see money, I don't know whether I do drugs. Dollars when come. Meanwhile, Junior brother been the craze when he travel. When the guy land with bad, the Junior brother well. The person when they pick dirty clothes before. When they say, Uncle don't come, see wait. So if you see, because every time they go meet her where they chop the tea, I say they'll call the top and say he. So that they call meet and say. Uncle don't come if you see Ghana must go dollars. Hey, talk through. Hey, who give me the tea clothes?
And you know, good men see me like this.
Hey.
But really, you know, say really more you comment at the matter because truly we know say different families with different things we be say they get. You know, say your parents go tell you say if you date somebody who say you don't reach that level, may you find out things about them. May you come and enter inside their family history. If you can't find out, say man, and you love this person pieces. Say for their family is either if you carry money enter there. Your money go disappear, or if you enter there, you know if you born pikin, or if you enter there, so different things go dey happen. You know you go lose your job, you know that kind of thing. Yeah, if you can't find out, say that kind of thing dey happen for that family, but this babe you overlove her, wetin you go do?
Hi. Well, if na something, if the girl want help, if you want make her help them, if she dey sincere, say okay, see this matter, I no fit handle am by myself. Mona come, I want make you help me. We fit go see one maybe pastor. You come see how we go deliver them. But if she say na transgenerational things, maybe say no leave am, na so our family dey, na so we wan carry am dey go. Even myself, when time reach, I go collect my throne, my dear. So, I go tell her say okay. I beg, now only you go sit down for that throne. If you are the queen, I'm not ready to be the king now.
Because the reason why I take bring this matter come talk today, Shakarana, because say he gets one particular guy where he marry, he do stronger at the end of the day marry the girl, but the girl them lineage now say when you reach the age of 40,
you go die.
If you get billions, you go lose. All your money go disappear at that age. 40. Be you marry, be you say you can't the family, can't marry you.
Easy,
or say they marry you for the family. You know that kind of thing.
Not to wait clock 40 before you go marry for that family now. Wait up, 41.
Okay, Kevina, the money go disappear. You go to you go do be say you go use the money begin buy property, buy things, buy build house.
How's the born now? You go like the great thing happen. But meanwhile, I get some signs. If you just marry from some kind of family, you can't notice say as you drive your motor dey overheat, your motor tire burst today, your radiator spoil. Nobody get family. You need to change your car. No be every sign. No be
but really, you know, say in Africa we dey, and basically we know say we no fit deny the fact say we get some, you know, some generational and ancestral things. So we say it don't happen like that. So that's why I can't talk that matter because this matter now one thing where we say it they break so many relationships.
No.
They tear family apart.
The truth we say, make we talk true. I no go advise anybody wey be say he discover that kind of thing. As you discover am, you see one chook head.
No, it's dangerous.
It's dangerous because waiting I go even advise. I go say, you know waiting, tell the girl, go sort out yourself.
But you get some girls where man they meet. For you to turn back and they hard. You get some girl where you go see, apart from beauty, you they see
character.
You they see character. You get some girls where they highly
industrious.
Yes.
The girl hand.
I want to talk before you talk
you know.
Because you get one girl I know. Now my friend Babe actually. The girl she get if you see her shop for this market where people food, what they call her? That market we catch fire now last week or so.
No.
Akpongbo.
Oh, okay.
No, you get one name where they call that market.
Lagos. For Lagos.
That Lagos Island.
Now Lagos Eko now.
Eko, okay, Lagos say Eko, but you get one name. Mandelas. The Mandelas they inside that market. You know, say that men, they sell things, they men, they sell clothes. This girl only had get like 4 shops where they join together. She dey buy things come from, she dey travel like mad. You know, they friend that kind of girl now with the highly Russell like that. They call say the family get ogbonge. You go there and say, this ogbonge, I beg. No. The family get ogbonge, this person they prosper like. I know. It gets a question.
Not be the question what I asked before because. You get something where you go look, say, ogbonge suppose don destroy this person now. He suppose don collect everything. He can't leave am. Now he
can't
get
leave
money
am.
use like this. Make we the team follow affect me.
You understand?
I beg, make we rush go street, make we go see wetin our men dem gas talk on top this matter. Wetin you go do if you don fall in love? Finish, tear. You can find out say your partner family get strong spiritual history. We dey come back.
That one a strong matter.
First of all, I will not fall in love with that person. I'm not going to fall in love.
Well, it depends on the love I get for the person.
I go buy am.
If not the person who I love so much,
If the love I get for the person, they're very strong.
I will go for my pastor to pray for her, so that maybe by then maybe she can heal.
I will consider taking the person to the church and seeking for deliverance.
But if in the other way around that maybe it's getting too much after the prayer, I will have to leave her.
But if my love no stay strong for the person, well, I will just fashion the person.
If I find out say they get strong spiritual problem, me sef I go try arrange myself too now.
You no get problem, we no get solution now. So I go take like that. Find problem, find solution for the problem.
Because I go know the person who I won't fall in love with now. I don't want any wahala.
The best is na to run away from that kind of person, because your children will come to get some issue in the nearest future.